Knock knock. Welcome to my channel English Education Express. Today we are going to have some fun with the tool identification challenge. I will show you a series of pictures featuring different tools and you will have to guess their names. Let's find out. Here is our first tool. Take a good look at this image and tell me what is it. So it's a hammer. Hammer. Now check out this tool. Pliers. Pliers. Now guess the third one. It is a screwdriver. Screwdriver. Now find out the fourth one. This is a needle nose pliers, or you can say nose pliers. Both are correct. Now guess its name. It's saw. Saw. Now the sixth one is nail. Nail. Guess the seventh one. Amazing! It's a nut. Nut. This one. It's a screw. Screw. Can you guess this one? Wonderful! Tape measure. Tape measure. Now the 10th one is pipe wrench. Pipe wrench. The 11th one is spanner. Spanner. What about this 12th one? Bravo! It's a bolt. Bolt. Now the 13th one is wrench. Wrench. Can you guess this 14th one? It's mallet. Mallet. Now here is our final tool, and this is an electric drill. Electric drill. That wraps up our tool guessing game. Now tell me, how many did you get right? Let me know in the comment box. So if you enjoyed this video, like this video and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.